In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your currency on SofaScore very simple and easy. So in this case, if you check a player's price, you're going to see the currency you chose. Very simple and easy. So automatically it's on euros because I think this is an European app. So let's do this. Let's tap on our profile there. So the bottom right corner of our screen, and all we need to do is we tap on the setting button there on the top right corner of our screen as well. So good. Now we move to preferences under the general. So preferences. Good. And you can see currency there automatically is on euro. Just like I said, looks like this app is an European app, and we have US dollar and we have British pound. So let me go with US. Good. So now let's come back. Our currency is being changed. So let's come to our favorite. Let's move to our athletes. And now let's tap on any of these profiles them. Now you can see $40 million. That is his market value. So that's it on how you change currencies. You can change it to British pound and any of your choice. That's it for the video. If you are new here, just give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. Peace.